A surprising legal update involving Blake Lively and Taylor Swift has just made waves in both celebrity and legal circles. A judge has officially granted Blake Lively's request to have bullying claims involving her and Taylor Swift tossed out of court, calling them improper. This decision brings a major twist to a case that has captured attention for its unexpected blend of Hollywood friendship and courtroom drama. At the heart of the case were allegations suggesting that Blake Lively was complicit in a situation where Taylor Swift allegedly bullied a third party. The claim suggested that Blake either ignored or encouraged behavior that the plaintiff called emotionally damaging. However, from the beginning, Blake's legal team argued the accusations were not only exaggerated but legally unfounded. In court, Blake's lawyers painted a very different picture. They asserted that the claims were vague, lacked evidence, and were clearly meant to exploit Blake's celebrity status rather than seek any real justice. The judge agreed, noting in the official ruling that the claims were speculative and did not meet the standard for legal bullying or emotional distress. The judge emphasized that Blake Lively's involvement, as described in the lawsuit, was too indirect to support a valid claim. The court also found no solid proof that Taylor Swift acted in a way that could legally be defined as bullying, especially not with Blake playing any active role. With that, the case was dismissed, at least the part involving Blake. For Blake Lively, this is a huge relief. While she's known for her glamorous red carpet appearances and her role in Hollywood blockbusters, Blake has also made a name for herself as someone who avoids scandals. Being dragged into a messy lawsuit that targeted her relationship with Taylor Swift was clearly not something she welcomed. Taylor Swift has not issued a formal statement regarding the ruling. However, sources close to her say she's grateful that the court saw through what her team called a baseless distraction. Taylor has faced plenty of public scrutiny over the years, and her high-profile friendships have often been part of the discussion. This case was no different, trying to turn her personal life into courtroom drama. Public reaction to the ruling has been mixed, but largely in support of Blake. Fans and legal experts alike point out that celebrities are often targeted in lawsuits simply because of their visibility and influence. In this case, the court's dismissal seems to support that theory. It's important to note that while this ruling clears Blake Lively, there could still be further proceedings or appeals related to other parts of the lawsuit. But for now, Blake is officially out of the legal mess, and she didn't even have to testify. This development is also a reminder of how difficult it can be to prove claims involving emotional damage, especially when there's no concrete evidence or direct communication. Courts require a high standard of proof, and this case simply didn't meet it. Blake Lively and Taylor Swift have been known for their strong friendship. They've been spotted together on vacations, red carpets, and even supporting each other's careers. This case seemed like an attempt to tarnish that bond or use it for publicity, but the judge's decision shows that not every accusation gets to stand just because it's dramatic. As the dust settles, Blake can move on from this legal distraction, and fans of both women are hoping the situation won't affect their friendship. With the judge's dismissal, Blake Lively's name is officially cleared from the lawsuit, and that's more than just a simple favor.